Hey guys, how you going? Welcome back to Hearns TV, and welcome back to the new episode of Building the Bismarck, the Sluban Bismarck. So yeah, so it's really coming along here. Like you can see, yeah, it's really starting to resemble a ship, should I say, a battleship. And if you remember, this is where we ended last time. So let's have a look, see at what's going next. Ah, yeah, look at that. Look at that, all of the top parts. So that's still on bag number 25. So yeah, getting towards the deck by the looks of things. There's a lot of bags to this, so there's going to be a lot more episodes of this still to come. All right, let's get these onto the ship. So I'll move that out of the way. And these up into there. Yes. Excellent. So here we go. I'm going to need, so that's 6 across. 3, 4, 5, 6, 9 down. Yeah, 6 across. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Alrighty, so that one goes into there. Click that on. There we go. And then we've got, I think it's the same one. Yes, it is. It's the same one. So it goes across this way. And click. There we go. Click that down. Alright. And another one. Another one just next to it like that. There we go. And then we need to start these, the 2 smaller ones, just there. So I'll open up this bag, put those into the corners. Yeah, I hope you guys have had a chance or have taken the time to go onto our website and have a look at some of the other Sluban kits that we have available. It's yeah, a lot of fun, and some really good things you can put together. We've got a lot of tanks and aircraft as well as spaceships and sports cars. All right, so we need something a little bit larger. Oops, let's throw that onto there. Lovely, and then another one next to it. And then, what do we got? Oh, yes. So, need 2 more. Those little pieces. Let's take them out. Yeah, these. 2 more of those. Going there. And there. And clip that onto there. Beautiful. Now this one goes onto there. And these pieces come on. These ones don't seem to want to go on. There we go. Much better. And that one goes onto there. Yes. Look at that. Very nice. Bismarck coming together. Place that down there. Now, it looks to me these are going to be the propellers. Go on the underside of the warship, as you can see there. All right, so let's put them together. And we'll empty out that bag. Pieces there. I think we may have finally finished off bag number 25. So we're starting with there. Aha. There it is. Put these pieces. Assemble everything that we need first. So actually, what I think I'm going to do is put these into there first. These are going to be the connections for the propellers. They go on there. There's a one. There we go. Now it's proper. And two. There'll be 4 propellers on this. Oh no, 3, sorry. 3 propellers to make the Bismarck move. And that one goes into there like that. Excellent. Excellent. Alright, so now we need these pieces. So, got these sort of scoopy bits there. And those, we go 6 across. Just make sure I'm doing it right. Oh wait, no. That goes there. That goes there like that first. And then there's a, where is it? Just one part that goes to the back. It's this one. Yeah, that one there. It's like that. And then, oops. More scoopy bits, like so. And that one goes across. So like I said, 6 across. There. Like so. And then we've got to put this one on top. Oh wait, no. Let me show you what the... Hold it up so you can see. That's the part there. Now I've got to make this top part goes onto that one. So this part here, so that goes onto that. And then 4 across to up onto there. And then these, they're just two pieces there and little bits that hold out. And now, let's see what I've got to do next. Hang on, I'll hold it up. Alright, so I've done that part there. That's the 3rd step. Now we've got to add these 2 onto the top. Okay, so that one goes on there. Six across, 2 deep. Hang on, that part hasn't clicked in properly. Give it a bit of a push. Alright, there we go. It goes onto there. And that part goes onto there. There we go. That's the rear part where the, and then we just attach the propellers. There. One. Onto there. And then another one onto there. Yeah, like so. Alright, now I'll attach this to the underside, which you can see there. Yeah, hold it up for you. Move them down just a touch and click it into place. Beautiful. Yes. Looking quite the part as we go along. Now let's see what bag are we up to now. Bag number 3, or should I? There we go. Now you can see it. So we get it up to bag number 3, and still a little bit more of 25. So around that way. Okay, and bag number 3 got right here. So these are the parts. Swap sides. These are the parts I've got to look for. All of those. Still some pieces from bag 25. Whoops. Empty there now, off to the side. Where's those parts? Around there. Okay, so let's see. We need a solid piece of 4 across and a thin piece of 4 across as well. In grey. So there's 1. And 2. One of these. And then in that sort of maroony colour there. 4 across, 2 across, and a single. Placing it like so. 4 across, 2 across. And then to each of those, which are all here. One, 2 of them. All the pieces we need, slowly come together there. 2 across and 2 of them. 1, 2, and 2 of those slanted pieces. There they are. Alright, now we've got to assemble them. Assemble them just like that. So that piece goes onto there. And then that goes onto there, and then in the middle, these pieces facing out. Where did I put? Oh, there it is. And there's the other piece. There. That one's there. There's that piece there. And then the slanted parts go onto those. Okay. Like so, facing down. 1 and 2. They go onto these. Oh, that one took a bit of convincing. And then these parts go at the back. Fill them out. Right, they go, where, let's see, on the very corners, like that. Yeah, there we are. And then they go at the rear, near where the rudders are. like this. Onto there. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Look at that. I'll swing it around the other way. Fantastic. Bismarck slowly coming together. All right. I think I might wrap it up there for you today. Yeah. This is fun. This is fun. A friend of mine messaged me, DM'd me on Facebook the other day. He says, those videos, he goes, dude, I can't believe you get paid to play with Lego. And I said to him, it's not Lego. It's Sluban. Yeah. Excellent. Yeah, well, thanks for tuning in, guys, to another episode of watching the Bismarck come together. And don't forget to tune into the next one when it's ready. And I hope to see you in store sometime soon. And as always, rock and roll. Cheers.